Hello everybody. Today we're going to be reacting to sex scenes in Bollywood.
कूल टच करना, पेड़ के पीछे जाके गुटरगू करना,
randomly हाथ ऐसे पकड़ना,
दूध का उबल जाना.
But sometimes Bollywood gets really adventurous and it becomes really cringy.
But let's see if I'm going to actually love this kind of cringe.
So Team Diva is going to react to some of those lovely, amazing scenes.
Hit the bell icon and get notified every time we post a new video.
Let's go to our first scene.
Okay, so the first scene is from the movie Chingari. I have not seen it.
Oh God.
This body band situation is very weird.
There's a shot of Mithuna checking out her body because she's showing, like her bosom and her waist, which is not covered by a dupatta, and it's sisky.
Is he some Baba or something?
पाप और पुण्य का खेल इस संसार में जो खेला जाता है उस पे सब ब्राह्मणों का अधिकार है.
Honestly, I'm a little confused. I can't tell if she's enjoying or if he's hurting her. I honestly can't tell.
का नहीं.
अब आप भगवान को नाराज कर रहे हैं.
What? Although, I personally truly love the word because people, especially women who have been called that, have started to own that word. They're like, like, what?
There is a child watching them do all of this. What?
Okay, I don't know what this is. How is this a sex, this is a strange form of rape. Like, this is sexual assault.
वासना की चिंगारी को औरत ही अग्नि का रूप देती है.
Bhai, you never want a man to say that to you in bed. वासना की चिंगारी को औरत ही आग देती है. After they're done. Oh, that is not sexy, Mithun.
Next, we have Malika Sherawat and Om Puri in Dirty Politics. Not very excited about this.
Om Puri and Malika Sherawat, ये कब हुआ था?
वो मलिका शेरावत man. पूरी को भी शर्म.
I think this makes me a little uncomfortable. I don't know, maybe I'm prejudiced, but just to watch like a super old man with a really young woman, guys, don't hate me in the comment section. Like, I'm not against any of that. Like, I don't have a problem with like an older man and a younger woman. I think I have a problem with this. And then this, I mean, I don't know.
Oh gosh, this is so I'm sorry, but it's so cringe. मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है.
Okay, someone's coming. I should change it to something. What do I change this to? Email.
I'm sorry, but what is this banyan teaching action that is going on here? Because it's too funny. I don't know. Does this work for people?
I have one dirty question. I wonder that when they do all of these scenes, do these scenes do something to them? Like after the shoot. He's just following his banyan. I'm sorry.
Somebody censor Om Puri's nipple, please. This is traumatizing.
He's biting her. Oh.
Bite like pieces off her shoulder.
Acting तो अच्छी करी है लड़की ने. Because she's like, I don't know what you're doing, Om, but like cool. I'll act like this is really nice and I'm feeling great.
We have Rekha Ji and Naveen Nishchal from the movie Aastha.
What's with men being into feet and hands weirdly? What is with that?
Is it like a thing? I don't know. Like if you kiss between like this joining of the fingers, is that like a thing that turns women on? Because like Rekha seems to be like in the throes of passion, and that Miss Cholga is just like, babe, let me kiss all your joints. What?
Oh,
Why is there a roller coaster in the middle of this? Let me lick your fingers. What a roller coaster ride!
and they're showing ups and downs of her pleasure rhythms through a symbolic roller coaster.
How are these guys doing this? I'm amazed. I'm amazed, and they're such good actors. I'm amazed at how these guys have managed to do the most cringe-worthy, awkward, sort of like kind of scenes. So like they're just doing it. It doesn't seem like they're uncomfortable at all.
Daddu has a foot fetish. He's like all over her feet.
झूले क्यों आ रहे हैं बीच में यार?
And he's eating them, guys. Like, I'm not joking. He's actually eating her legs.
He just put his tongue in her ear. Mummy.
खा लिया भाई बंदे ने उसको, कोई जगह नहीं छोड़ी, हर जगह मतलब.
Rekha and Akshay Kumar. I love Rekha. And I quite like Akshay Kumar.
Even naughty girls need love.
Maybe. I don't know.
Is this in the night? No control. Oh my god.
Whereas I have to say that with Rekha, you can't even tell there's like a solid age difference between them. Like, she's just fitting. I like this pair, man.
एक सेकंड, उन्होंने एप्पल के ऊपर चॉकलेट सॉस डाल दी है, मतलब.
Yeah, isn't this song a little forward for that time? Like, I'm actually a little surprised. They're making the girl say this. In the night, no control, kya karu, kuch to bol. Usually they wouldn't have the woman say this. Bold.
अरे तो पोमेग्रेनेट जूस थोड़ी ना था जो ऐसे करके ऐसे पी रहे, खून था ब्रो. वैम्पायर के.
उसकी आंखें बंद करके उसको एप्पल खिला रहे हैं, जैसे कि लाइक वो गेस नहीं कर पाएगी कि क्या खा रही है, या मतलब will it be is eating apple sexy now? Did I miss something?
उनके मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है, क्यों? Nobody knows. कोई सिगरेट नहीं पी रहा है, ठंड भी नहीं है, बट वो पप्पी कर रहा है उसके हाथ में और भू भू धुआं निकल रहा है.
Maybe like a hairy chest was like fashion back then.
कौन कीचड़ में नाच रहा है भाई?
I wonder if this was actual mitti or like what was it, Multani mitti or what?
Weird swimming costume, which is basically like a strip of things covering his important regions.
नहीं भाई नहीं, इसके आगे नहीं.
क्यों?
इसकी तुम्हें अलग से कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी.
I did not see this coming. माथा झुकाकर मेरी चुटकी भर सिंदूर whatever shit माँ को भरना होगा.
इसे कहते हैं KLPD. पूरा सब फोरप्ले कर लिया, ठीक है, सब कर दिया, और नहीं, इसके बाद और नहीं. यही सब करना था तो पहले ही बोल देते.
शादी से पहले मिल रहा है सेक्स ब्रो, मतलब इतना कि ड्रामेटिक हो रहा है. शादी कर लेगा क्या पूरा सेक्स के लिए? मतलब ऐसे कौन करता है?
Wax is over. Apparently हुआ ही नहीं. वो दूध और चीज ही खिलाता रह गया है इसको. I relate to Rekha. I would have also been very pissed. What is this nonsense you're doing with me?
We've reacted plenty. This is the point where I tell you that please like our content, share it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to keep coming back for more. If there's something that you want us to make a video on, tell us, give us topics, we will do something about it. Kar do subscribe yaar. Bye everybody.
क्या यही वजह काफी नहीं है तुम्हारी दूसरी शादी के लिए?
ये आप कैसी बातें करें पिताजी?
जो औरत मां नहीं बन सकती, उसे तुम्हारी पत्नी बने रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है.
What the